All right, baby doll. What do we got tonight?
Veal Marsala, because I've had a lot of requests to show how to make it.
Who makes the main requests around here?
You do.
And I
and
said,
your wish is my command.
I love you.
Listen, this is a favorite.
Go ahead.
So, of course, we need our veal cutlets. I got a lot of veal cutlets on sale at Uncle Giuseppe's. We got salt and pepper to taste, olive oil, flour, butter, chicken stock, fresh thyme, fresh baby bella mushrooms, shallots, and garlic, and the Marsala wine.
All right, guys. We'll see you. We're going to see them or we're going to go right to it?
We can start.
Oh, right to it. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's start breading, right?
Andiamo.
Wait, I
Shamani.
didn't get a dish to put them in.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Okay. So the only thing I do with the flour is I give it a little salt and pepper just to give it a little flavor, okay? And salt and pepper is always to taste.
You don't have to put them. You can omit them.
Okay? Okay. So now we give a nice mix, okay? And we're going to dip our cutlets very lightly. That's all you need. See? A little bit of flour. Okay?
Okay, so
we're gonna dip these and we're gonna meet you at the stove.
we're gonna dip these. We're gonna be about an hour over here because you got 100 chicken.
Well, you know, who wants leftovers? Who wants Okay.
Those veal cutlets, you got about 100 of them over there.
Aren't they beautiful?
They are. All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, baby doll, what are we doing now?
Look at the frying pan my husband brought me home. Mamma mia! Look at my foil, and I took all my grids off. I'm sorry, I'm Italian, and I don't want oil splashing. Okay, so look, I'm gonna lightly fry these really quick, and then we're gonna take them out, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the beautiful, magical sauce.
All right, we're gonna lightly fry these, and we'll be right back. All right, baby doll.
Okay, so I just finished taking my veal out, okay? And now we're going to create our sauce, okay? We're going to do a little bit of butter. A little bit. Okay. And we're going to put our shallots.
Don't criticize baby doll.
And our garlic. Okay.
We're gonna saute this for a few minutes.
We're going to saute this for a few minutes. And we'll be back.
All right, guys, we'll be right back. The third ambulance to the doctor.
Okay, Dominique, put these in the sink.
I guess you're eating over?
Yes,
Of course.
And I'm bringing home leftovers.
And bring me the mushrooms,
We'll
baby.
be right back, guys. I did a boo-boo, baby doll. I didn't tape you guys putting in the mushrooms.
I know. You get my assistant helping me, and you didn't get her.
I had photo on. I'm
All right,
sorry.
so look, I just put the mushrooms in. Now I'm going to add my chicken broth, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to let these cook a little bit, though, before we add the thyme and the marsala, okay?
All right, guys. We're going to let this go, and we'll be right back. Sorry I messed that up, baby doll.
No problem.
All right. All right, baby doll, what you got?
Okay, so now I'm adding my marsala wine.
Quarter cup.
And I'm going to bring this to
Got the peanut gallery back there.
simmer, right? We got to cook that marsala down a little bit before we put in our veal. And we're going to add our fresh, beautiful thyme.
Watch the piece.
Very
It
nice.
gives it such good flavor.
So this is all going to come to a simmer, and then we'll put in what? The veal
The
inside?
veal.
Oh, okay.
And then we're going to eat.
Oh, God, that smells good.
Ooh, Biscotti's licking his lips.
Oh, yeah. The masala for you. All right, baby doll. We'll be right back, guys. All right, baby doll.
Look at that goodness. So we're adding a little salt and pepper to taste.
Ooh.
And then I'm going to add my delicious veal back. Okay? Dominique, wipe these off for mommy.
Wipe them.
Yeah.
Wipe them.
Okay. And here's my goodness. Put that veal back in. Oh, mamma mia.
Bury that in there.
Oh, mamma mia.
That's nice.
Anything for my love. Okay.
All right.
That looks beautiful. Now
What is
I'm
this going to go for, like 10, 15 minutes?
No, 10 minutes tops, not even, on a
minute
low
tops.
simmer, okay?
Low simmer.
And we're gonna get that juice and we're gonna mix it all in because we want all the flavor, right or wrong.
All right, guys. We'll be back in about 10 minutes.
Mom, where's your oven?
Okay, my love is plating for me.
We're all learning our keep tonight.
Look at how beautiful that looks.
Yep.
Look at that.
Just the way I like it too. I don't like it too much juice. I like for everything to be nice together inside the veal. It's gonna taste so good. Oh God, those mushrooms taste good. Damn, you got enough dinner here for like 15 people.
I know, but I think I told Mary to pick some up.
I'm taking one back out. Out of there.
Here you go. We'll see you guys at the table, guys.
Mamma mia. Okay.
Right, here we go. No veal for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like butter. And the mushrooms are delicious. Like butter. We love you guys.